Good morning to all. I am R. Saranya Devi. I am going to take Mathematics for Standard 4. Chapter 1 is the large number. Number. Everybody know the number. Say the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on. These all are numbers. In numbers, first we are going to study the one digit number. Say the one digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are one digit number. Next we are going to see the two digit number. First two digit number is 1, 0, 10. Next 11, 12, 13, 14 and goes on up to 99. These all are two digit number. Next three digit number. First three digit number is 1, 0, 0, 100. Next 101, 102, 103 and goes on up to 999. Next we are going to write the four digit number. First four digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1000. Next 1001, 1002, 1003 and goes on up to 9999. Continuously we may write it for up to 7 digit or 8 digit, anything we may write it. From this we are going to study about the smallest number and the largest number. First we are going to study about smallest number. Here smallest one digit number is 1. Smallest two digit number is 10. Smallest three digit number is 100. Smallest four digit number is 1000. One digit means only one alone we are written. Two digit means 1, 0, 10. Three digit means 1, 0, 0, 100. Four digit means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1000. Smallest number means first number should be 1, remaining is a 0. From this we may write the 5 digit number also. Smallest 5 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number is 1. Next 0, 0, 0, 0. That means 10,000. It's a smallest 5 digit number. Next we are going to study about the largest number. Now largest one digit number is 9. Largest two digit number is 99. Largest three digit number is 999. Largest four digit number is 9999. Largest number means every numbers are 9 alone. One digit means 19. Two digit means 29. Three digit means 39. Four digit means 49. Like this. For 5 digit means we want to write 5 nines. Largest 5 digit number is 99999. How we can read it? 99,999. Like this we may read it. Using this, now we may write this fill-ups. Smallest one digit number is 1. Next, smallest two digit number is 1, 0, 10. Smallest three digit number is 1, 0, 0, 100. Smallest four digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1000. Next, smallest 5 digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10,000. Next, smallest 6 digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's 1 lakh. Next, smallest 7 digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's 10 lakh. Like this we are going to write the largest number also. Largest one digit number is 9. Largest two digit number is 99. Largest three digit number is 999. Largest four digit number is 9999. Largest five digit number is 99,999. Largest six digit number is 9,99,999. Like this, largest 7 digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. But in third standard up to 10,000 alone you are studied. After that now we are going to study in fourth standard. For reading the numbers and to put the comma, we want to know the place value. Now we are going to study about the place value. To read the number, first we want to know the place value. To study the place value, first in Indian system we are going to study the place value. Everybody know the place value. In lower class itself we study it. First place value is the ones. Next place value is the tens. Next hundreds. We may say the spells also. Next thousand. THOUSANDS, thousands. Next 10,000. TEN, thousand. THOUSANDS, 10,000. Next lakh. LAKHS, lakhs. Next 10 lakh. TEN, LAKHS, lakhs. Next crore. CRORES, crores. Next 10 crore. TEN, crore. CRORES, crores. We may say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These all are place value. There is a short form for the place value. That one is for ones we may write O. For tens we may write T. For 100 we may write H. For 1,000 we may write TH. For 10,000 T.TH. For lakh L. For 10 lakh T.L. For crore C. For 10 crore T.C. This is the short form for the place value. Using the short form, now we are going to study the place value chart. First we may say the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now we are going to write the place value. First place value is ones. Next tens. Next 100. Next 1,000. Next 10,000. Next lakh. 10 lakh. Crore. 10 crore. These all are place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Using this we may read any number. For example, we can read this number 43 lakhs 21,672. Like this we may read this number also. 8 crore 94 lakh 1,743. Like this we want to read it. To put the comma, you want to know the periods. These all are place value. To put the comma, you want to know the periods. Ones, tens, 100. These comes under ones period. Next 1,000 and 10,000 comes under thousands period. THOUSANDS, thousands period. Like this, here lakhs and 10 lakh. So it comes under which period? Lakhs period. It comes under lakhs period. Here crore, 10 crore. It comes under which period? It's crore period. CRORES. These all are periods. In Indian system, how many periods are there? In Indian system, how many periods are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 periods are there. In Indian system, 4 periods are there. They are crores period, lakhs periods, thousands periods and ones periods. These all are periods. These all are place value. In ones periods alone, 3 place values are there. In thousands period, 2 place values are there. In lakhs period, 2 place values are there. In crores period, 2 place values are there. Using this period, we may put the comma for the numbers. For example, first number is 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 2. Using the period alone, you want to put the comma. In one's period, 3 digits are there. So after the 3 digit, first comma we want to put it. Next, in the thousands periods, 2 digits are there. So after 2 digit, you want to put the comma. In lakhs, 2 digit. After that, here nothing. So that's all. Using this period alone, you want to put the comma. Using the periods and place value alone, we may put the comma and read it. Now we may read it. First, you want to write the place value in the top. Then only you can write in an easy form. Place value of 2 is ones. Here tens, 100, 1000. Next 10,000, lakh. Next 10 lakh. Now how we can read it? 43 lakh 21,672. Now we may write it in a spell, sir. 43 lakhs. For 40, what is the spelling? F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Next 3, T-H-R-E-E, 43 lakhs, L-A-K-H-S, lakhs. Next 21,000. For 20, what is the spelling? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, O-N-E-1, 21,000, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Yes, thousands. Next is 600. 6 S-I-X-6. 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100, 600. And A-N-D. And 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 72. T-W-O-2. Now we may read it once again. 43 lakhs 21,672. This using place value and periods, we may put the comma and write in spells. For this question, we want to write the answer. Write the numbers in place value chart. They given the number. For this, first we want to write the place value. Say the place value. Now we may write it. Place value. First place value is ones. Next tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. First we return the number. Next we want to write the period also. For ones, tens and 100, it's a ones period. Next thousands and 10,000 is a thousands period. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S, thousands period. Next lakh and 10 lakh is a lakhs period. L-A-K-H-S, lakhs period. Next crore and 10 crore is a crore period. C-R-O-R-B-S, crores. These all are periods. We may write it. Next we are going to write the number. From last we want to write the number 5 in the ones place value. Next 1 in the tens place value. 2 in the 100 place value. Next 9 in the thousands place value. Next 4 in the 10,000 place value. Next 6 in the lakh value. 3 in the 10 lakh. Next 4 in the crore. For 10 crore, here is no number, so we may put the hyphen. Like this you want to write it. Once again we may say, first we want to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Then we are going to write the periods. Ones, tens, 100 in ones period. Thousands and 10,000 in thousands period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs in the lakhs period. Crore and 10 crore in the crores period. Using this chart, we want to write the sum. First question we completed. Second question is using Indian system, put comma and write in words. For this, first we want to take and write the question. The question is 6, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, 0. Next we want to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Next we want to put the comma. After 3 digit, first we want to put the comma. Next after 2 digit, we want to put the comma. Now we may read it. 64 lakh 32,890. Now we may write it in words. Say the spells and write it. Answer. We may write it 60, SIXTY, 60. 4, FOUR, 64 lakhs. 30, THIRTY, 32, TWO2, 32,000, THOUSANDS, thousands. 800, 8, EIGHT, 800, HUNDRED, 100, and AND, and 90, NINETY, 90. We may read it 64 lakh 32,890. Like this you want to do the sums. Now I am going to give homework sums for you. First sum is write the number. If you like this video, subscribe it.